direction.
Okay.
Doesn't matter. You can do that right on camera.
What?
I just fixed my pants right in your video.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I didn't.
Because I was standing there like, I just did that on camera. Okay, I'm gonna be quiet, let you film.
Okay.
Going up. Fifth floor.
What? It's the lowest as T or 1.
Going down.
Probably street. Yeah, so this is a restaurant at that place, Italy.
Oh, nice. Okay, we'll see what. Oh, you can't go there.
Button's stuck on that side.
Street level.
Let's get off at 1 so I can get the escalators. I kind of want to start up.
Yeah.
I don't want anyone screaming at me for
Bye.
filming. Yeah.
Look right there.
What? Oh, there's another elevator. Can we get it? Oh, this is cool. Yeah.
If there's someone on it, we won't get on it.
No. Oh, absolutely not. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, we gotta get this one. Okay.
Going up.
Why was there someone on that one?
It's mainly a service car. Did you see the metal floor?
Yeah.
So it's really a service car for Italy, but you could use it.
Oh, was that the elevator operator?
First floor.
Okay.
Just like an employee. Like I've ridden it, but like once I think.
I see. Okay.
Headlights.
That's it.